Who says biryani is hard to make? I'm going to show you how to make my super easy, speedy masala prawns biryani, and here's how it goes. Just before we get into the recipe, I'm so excited to tell you that I've written my very own cookbook. From Ramadan to everyday cooking to all your celebrations throughout the year, mostly all new recipes exclusive to this book, and lots of your online fan favorites too. The Ramadan Cookbook is out March 9th and available to pre-order right now using the link in the description below. Okay, so I've got my king prawns here, shelled and deveined. So now I'm going to add in some oil, some chopped garlic and chilli puree. And then I'm just going to mix this up, and then we're going to leave this for about 20 minutes aside, and then I'm going to show you what we're going to do in our next step. Now while the prawns are marinating, we're going to start on our onions. So in my preheated pan, we're going to pour in some oil, throw in some onions, and we're going to cook these onions for about 5-6 minutes until they are nice and golden. The onions are looking good. I'm now going to add in some chopped chilies, ginger and garlic paste. Just give that a mix. Now I'm going to pour in some tomato pasatta. If you don't have this, that's fine. You can also just blitz up tin tomatoes as well. That'll work perfectly fine. Just stir that in. I've got some turmeric powder here just to add some colour, and also some chilli powder to add a bit of kick, some salt, and just give it a mix. I'm also going to be adding in some Greek yogurt, and this will add some creaminess to the sauce. Right now we're ready to add in our prawns. So I'm just going to give that a mix into our sauce, and then I'm going to cover these and cook them for about 4 or 5 minutes. The oil has come through to the top, and also the tomatoes have reduced, making the sauce really nice and thick. I'm also going to sprinkle over some fresh herbs. So I've got some coriander and mint. And also I'm just going to pour in some fresh lemon juice to zing it up. The prawns are now done, and I'm just going to switch that off, and then we're going to move on to the next step. Okay, so now we're going to layer our biryani. So I've got some par-cooked rice here. So I'm just going to take half of the rice and just spread it in our pot. And then we're going to take our prawns mixture and spread that over on top. Sprinkle in some spring onions as well that I've chopped up. We're also going to add in some mixed peppers to add some colour and crunch. And then we're going to finish off with the remaining rice. We're just going to add in some finishing touches. So I'm just going to add in some more mixed peppers, some chopped coriander and mint. And this step is totally optional, but I'm going to add in some fried onions because it's a biryani. We're almost done now. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to make some holes in there. Just going to pour in some water. Pop the lid on, and then we're just going to let the steam build up in there to finish off the cooking process, and we'll leave that for about 6 to 7 minutes. And then we're done. Try it out, let me know what you think in the comments below, or you can even tag me in a picture. If you've made this before, I would love to hear what you did different. If you enjoy this, please do give me a thumbs up, and to see more delicious recipes, do subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.